Today, people protested in downtown Grand Rapids against banning books in public schools. This all took place before the Michigan Court of Appeals heard arguments in a case that may determine the future of several books in one public school's library. 13 on your side, Jeremiah Brown joins us now with the very latest. Jeremiah.
Yeah, Lauren, today the Court of Appeals heard arguments between Rockford Public Schools and a group looking to have several books banned that they believe are sexually explicit. Prior to that, a group of protesters gathered in support for the school district. Protesters gathered outside the Michigan Court of Appeals as judges heard arguments between Rockford Public Schools and a group calling for the banning of library books they believe to have sexually explicit material. The group called Parents and Taxpayers Against Pornography in Rockford Public Schools filed a lawsuit in regards to 14 library books.
And so if this court will look at the law and clearly follow what it says, there is no right under the law for the school to have disseminated these books in the library.
The lawsuit was previously dismissed by a Kent County judge in the fall of 2023. In a statement, Rockford Public Schools says its libraries offer a wide range of books that appeal to different students based on age, interests, and personal struggles, saying while not every book will be appropriate for all students, none of the books are unlawful or pornographic as a plaintiff's claim. Today, the school district's attorney said these materials must be looked at in their entirety rather than individual snippets.
The way that it's presented in the complaint is they just took little snippets out of the book, right? And that's not the way that the statute requires the content of the book to be analyzed. You have to analyze the book as a whole and determine whether as a whole it lacks any serious literary, scientific, educational, political, artistic value.
Prior to the hearing, demonstrators gathered outside saying that banning these books silences diverse experiences.
So it's not just books about obscenity, because that doesn't even exist in our schools, but now it's books about lessons about not bullying, and now it's lessons about you might have mental health things to support, and so everything just keeps getting stifled.
We just need to be able to cut through to what's really happening here, which is putting our First Amendment rights in jeopardy. It's silencing speech. It's taking away folks' opportunity to learn, to have access to information.
While others came in support of banning the books they claim to be pornographic.
No matter how the judge rules, I hope that parents will realize that their children are being affected by this. I don't have any kids in the public school system anymore, but the kids who go through there are being raised to believe that it's okay to look at pornography.
The books the group is looking to have banned include Toni Morrison's The Bluest Eyes, John Green's Looking for Alaska, and The Kite Runner. A full list of the books and the district's full response can be found in the story online. In the newsroom, I'm Jeremiah Brown, 13 on your side.